name is Sheila and welcome to my channel. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now with that said guys, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get straight into today's video because I have my ChatBooks for the month of October. Now for those of you who don't know what ChatBooks is, it is an incredibly easy way to get all those little pictures on your phone printed out into like a little book form. And these are only $15 a month. And if you would like to try it for your first time, I have a $10 credit that you can use off your first book. So definitely take advantage of that. I will leave it in the comment section down below and also in the description box if you would like to take advantage of that. And I used that for my first time and that's how I got into it. And by the way, somebody used my referral link last month, and whoever it was, I would love to hear what you thought of your ChatBook. Did you like it? Was it easy to do? And what did you think? It's a fun app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut away and I'm going to show you all the pictures that I got in this month's book. And what I think is incredible about this book, guys, is this is something you can get. We all have those pictures, you know what I mean? Where if it's a vacation or an anniversary or a birthday, we always get those photos developed. But this book, for me, is a great way to get those everyday pictures that get on your camera. That might just be the baby smiled cute, or your child did this, or you like their little outfit, or just an everyday kind of situation. And somehow we never get those kind of pictures developed. So I love these ChatBooks for that reason. And when you look at my ChatBooks, that's mostly what's in here. They're just everyday moments that we caught in our home with the babies, and just everyday moments. So that's why I am really loving this. At the end of the month, they will send you an email reminder saying, hey, it's time to go create this month's ChatBook. And when you open the app, all the pictures that are on your phone will be showing on the app. And you pick the 30 pictures that you liked. You can edit them. You can put who was in, the date, the time, a special memory, a comment, whatever. And like I said, you can change all the background covers to the books that you want. I really love this pink blush color that I got this month. But I might go through all the different colors just to see, and every month I'll show you the colors. So far I got pink and black. So we are gonna maybe do green next month. I don't know. Maybe we'll filter through all the colors so you guys can see. Now remember, I have a $10 credit off your first book. The hardcover is $15 and the soft cover is only $10. So if you wanted to try this for your first time and you chose the soft cover, it'd be totally free for you. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you on my next video.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.